Holy smokes, the Bitcoin price is breaking out. I see it, you see it, I think the whole entire world sees it. Could the bulls potentially be targeting 60,000, 70,000, potentially even 80,000 USD? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. Wow, what an absolutely explosive past few days it's been here for the Bitcoin price. And right now, with the bulls ripping us out of this ascending triangle pattern formation, what are the targets? What could we potentially expect to the upside? And unfortunately, I do have to talk about this. What happens if we see a double top rejection here? What could we possibly expect to the downside? All of this and more here on today's stream. So we'll begin right here on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. And of course, before we do in fact begin, if you could, smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. And if you are brand new, welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. Hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. So here we are, my friends, right back inside the belly of the beast. I pointed out on my last stream that if the bulls were able to get above this critical resistance region, that we could possibly see an explosive breakout to the upside. And it appears right now that we are possibly seeing that explosive breakout happen inside this trend. So let's look at some targets. If this is in fact going to play out as an ascending triangle pattern formation, what we can do here is take the extrapolated measured move, which is the largest part of the pattern formation. We then drag that measured move over to the breakout point and look where it puts us, right up there at roughly 61 to 62,000 USD. But that's not all. Let's say that this is actually one gigantic bull flag, okay, with a flagpole beginning all the way back here at roughly 30,000 USD. Let's take a proper measurement here. We're going to drag it from the bottom of the low there all the way to the top. We are then going to drag this over to the rough breakout point of this pattern formation right here, right now. And if we do in fact zoom out, you can see that this gives us a rough target up at over 80,000 USD. Savage, heinous, borderline ludicrous, if you do in fact ask me. We also do have a 1.618 golden Fibonacci ratio up here on the logarithmic scale, measuring this prior bull market high to the bull market low. We do see a 1.618 logarithmic scale Fibonacci extension up there at roughly 61,500 on my chart. Let's get this crypto. So you're probably wondering at this point, well, Don, what are you doing right now? Okay, so let me just outline this for you. Until we broke out here today, I still was under the impression that the bears could possibly be in control of this trend and that we could possibly see a corrective period going all the way down, possibly into the low 40,000s, even into the 30,000s with these targets outlined down here. But now that we've broken out of this region and we are possibly breaking above this channel right now, which I'm going to discuss in a moment, the sentiment for me has changed. And as I told you on yesterday's stream, so listen, if you're not subscribed already, you need to subscribe right now, tick the little bell and select all so you do not miss any more of these critical Bitcoin and crypto analyses. I pointed this out on yesterday's stream. I said, listen, ladies and gentlemen, if the Bitcoin price does break above this resistance range, I'm going to flip my sentiment. And I did just that. Upon the potentially bullish pattern breaking out, the Don went long at 53,335. And right now, my friends, I have also moved my stop loss into profit. A small profit, but a profit nonetheless. More so just to mitigate my risk in case this breaks down. And right now, if the Bitcoin price is potentially going to rip up to those targets that I outlined earlier in the stream, the Don is looking to potentially say those 4 words that we've all grown to love here on this stream. The Don struck gold. The Don struck gold. The Don struck gold. And right now, my friends, if this does in fact continue to rip, I will be looking to potentially take profit. I will be looking to potentially continuously play this to the upside, or if I have to, potentially short this to the downside, whether the market continues up or the market goes down. The Don will continue to strategize to potentially crush this market and get this crypto, whichever way it breaks. And if you want to see all of my personal real-time entry ideas, take profit ideas, strategy ideas, trade setup ideas, all of it, my friends, I will continue to keep you updated around the clock 24/7 in VIP. If you are not already in my VIP, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. Okay, my friends. So right now, with the Bitcoin price breaking out to the upside, you've seen the targets that I've outlined. But what happens if we double top here? Let's discuss what I'm seeing for a potential rejection. And of course, if you are enjoying thus far, that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm would be so greatly appreciated. Thank you for that. And if you are brand new, welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. Hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. Okay, my friends. So right now, although the bulls do look strong here, and this trend, mind you, I mean, we do have to keep the macro trend at the forefront here, right? The fact is that we are on a significant uptrend here. And the classic saying is the trend is your friend until the end, right? So right now, do we see any signs here that say this has to be the end? Certainly I don't. If we pull up the Wall Street cheat sheet, Psychology of a Market Cycle, sure, we certainly could be in the thrill or euphoria stage of the market cycle. I think that's a given. It's very difficult to understand where we are at until it's actually popped and we look in hindsight. But I do believe it's possible we are at least in the thrill or euphoria phase. But that really doesn't mean much here because of the fact that the trend right now still appears to be upward. Of course, that could break at any time and we could crash right down into the crypto abyss. So this is what I want to discuss here. My key resistance ranges right now, unfortunately, are essentially where we're at right now here at about 56,000, albeit at the time of recording, the bulls are trying to purge through this range right now. 56,000 is interesting to me because it coincides with the upward sloping line of this parallel channel. You can see that Bitcoin has had a ton of confluence along this channel, most recently it being the support on this move here, then flipping into the resistance here, resistance once again, and possibly resistance once more right here, right now. So this is resistance range number one for the Dom. That's also why I've moved my stop loss into an itty-bitty profit here just to mitigate my risk. And if we dump, I'd like to get out just for, just a little bit above where I entered, right? And now, if we can get through here, the overwhelming second possible region of resistance is a double top. Okay, now this is more so just a psychological thing here. This is our most recent new all-time high. It's possible that we do see some bearish sell pressure come in around this range. Now, if we break through there, it's clear sailing again, folks. I mean, sure, anything can happen, right? When we're at a new all-time high, it's very difficult for charts to show you any type of confluence or anything like that because technical analysis is observing the past action of traders to observe how new traders could potentially act in a similar fashion as they did in the past, right? So since we don't have any information from prior data up here, all we can basically do is speculate how traders acted in these market cycles in the past and how they could potentially act in a similar fashion moving forward. Things aren't as clear when we break out to a new all-time high. So right now, this is why my bet is to the long side here with my risk already mitigated, right? My friends, this is not some degenerate long that, I'm just going to watch this dump into the abyss if it happens and just hodl Kirby. I'm a hodler Kirby forever, forever. No, my friend, that's not how the Don, does business here. basically right now, I've mitigated my risk. If we move up, wonderful. I will look to potentially capture the majority of that move to the upside. But if we break down, I will look to quickly exit my position for a very, very small profit. And then I will look for my next trade setup idea. So just watch this double top here. Watch where we are at right now at 58,000. So basically my levels of resistance, 58 to 59,000. Anywhere between 56,000 and 59,000. Essentially, this is my range of potential resistance. If the bulls can climb above here, folks, I think it could get even more potentially explosive than it is right now. And that's when you have to watch out for those targets we discussed earlier in the stream. Let's get this crypto. So now I just kind of want to go, down a different road here. And I do want to ask you guys something. So I think I may expand the stream here. I'm not sure. Don't hold me to it. But I may start to do some more analysis videos here on this channel covering more of the crypto market. Again, I don't know if I'm going to do this, but I figured let me see here if the community would appreciate this. So what I want you guys to do right now is leave a comment down below with which altcoins you'd like me to analyze on this channel if I do it, right? Keyword, if I do it, right? Because if there is enough interest in select coins, now these can't be trash, ladies and gentlemen, they must be large market cap coins. If the community as a whole is interested in me analyzing certain specific large cap altcoins, I may consider doing individual videos on this channel analyzing those coins in particular. So right now, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment down below with which altcoins you would like the Don to analyze if I do choose to do more videos here on this channel. I really would appreciate your input, so let your voice be heard and let me know which coins. Keep it to a minimum, folks, just several and no small cap trash. Large cap coins only. Let's get this crypto. So right now, folks, you could see that I'm looking to continuously play this trend with a high reward, low risk ratio strategy mentality, right? You could see play the breakout. Wonderful. Breakout comes, the Don goes long. And if we break down, the Don is out for a very small profit. This is the type of high reward, right? With those targets I outlined earlier, up, above 60,000, all the way potentially up to 80,000. And if we drop, my risk is cut off at essentially no loss, no gain, a very small profit, right? That is the type of high reward, low risk strategy that I look to use day in and day out. And if you are looking to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again, I'm telling you, friends, you need to become a VIP right now, okay? Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. And that's funny. I pulled up this meme from the other day that it says, the Don has the best thumbnails on YouTube. Change my mind. Okay, my friends. So right now, you see my thoughts on this market. And if you're wondering, with even all this action, everybody going crazy, saying the fiat system's collapsing, right? Kirby, this, that, the other thing. You know how I remain so cool, calm, and collected, folks? It's because the Don has truly been up the mountain. The Don has been down the mountain. And quite frankly, the Don has also been everywhere in between. And I have wined and dined with kings and queens. And I have slept in alleys and dined on pork and beans. And let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen, the Don prefers the wine and queens every single time. So as these moon boys and degenerates continue to live a life of peril and squalor, the Don will continue to grind for every Satoshi and dollar. Let's get this crypto. I look forward to seeing you in VIP right now after this video, and I will continue to keep you updated with all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, strategy ideas, as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again. My friends, on that note, if you could one last time, hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. And if you are brand new, welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. Hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. Okay, folks, On that note, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, leave your thought below. Which altcoins, top cap coins only, would you like the Don to analyze if the Don is to do more videos on this channel covering specifically individual altcoins? Let me know down below. And until next time, my friends, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, my friends, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and beware of the fake Kirby imposters down in the comment section. I will never post a phone number on your comment. I will never send you any type of unsolicited email. That is not me. You can see the two examples down below. They have the same name as me, but they're posting phone numbers. They're using very weird typing to get around the spam filter. That is not me. This is an example of my real comment here. You can see the nameplate has a gray background to it, and I do leave a creator heart next to the thumbs up so you can validate that that is me. I generally only post the VIP information in a pinned comment, so you know that is me there. My friends, don't fall for any of the fakes. Be smart, be safe. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.